Ready to supercharge your Retell AI interactions with incredibly precise, custom-tailored speech-to-text? First things first, let's understand the core idea. We're replacing Retell AI's default transcription with your very own bespoke engine. This involves connecting your speech-to-text STT service. This is crucial for custom transcriptions. This is crucial for things like specific jargon, accents, or industries. Think medical terminology, legal jargon, or slang specific to your target audience. It all gets transcribed with precision. Next, identify your STT provider. This could be Google Cloud Speech-to-Text, Transcribe, or any other service you've chosen to integrate. You'll likely need authentication keys or API credentials directly from your STT provider. Make sure you have proper access and the necessary permissions. Now, for the integration setup, refer to Retell AI's API documentation. Read the documentation on how to direct the custom STT to Retell AI. You'll need to configure your STT service within the Retell AI platform. This usually involves specifying the API endpoint, providing your authentication keys, and potential audio format settings to ensure compatibility. Once the setup is complete, use the Retell AI interface or your integrated application to send spoken input. Evaluate the transcription accuracy. Does it capture the nuances and special terminology you expect? Adjust settings or your STT configuration as needed to optimize the results. Remember to validate the results with a test corpus of words or phrases. Celebrate your success. You mastered it.